Good morning, YouTube. It's Scott Dunnage's Garage. How you doing today? Well, we're going to do another walk around of our GeoPro camper. Stay tuned. This is our 2017 GeoPro 12RK camper. We lovingly call it Towed because after all, it goes where it's towed. Towed is the largest of our three rental campers, coming in at 12 foot long, and it's got a heavier tongue weight at 300 pounds. For those reasons, you'll need a larger vehicle, you'll need a 2-inch ball hitch, and you will need a 7-plug plug-in for brakes and lights. Once you get it set up, you need to put the key in to turn on the battery. And directly down in here, on the driver's side, is where the key goes. And looking up from the bottom, key goes in right here. Once the key is in, simply turn it. Inside the camper you have plenty of storage, shelf, and a full-size bed. Because the camper is so tall, we provide 2 steps that can be used for entry or around back for the galley. There is a 110 outlet, CO monitor, additional 110 outlet, USB and 12 volt, smoke detector, tap light, fan, turn the handle to open your fan, and then your power button and speeds are right here and you're off. When you're done using the fan, make sure you shut the lid. And a second tap light. Tap lights, there's a little button on the bottom. The camper has a 20-gallon potable water tank, a plug-in for solar, a plug-in for city water, and then shore power. You have leveling jacks on the bottom corners. This is your waste drain for your 5-gallon gray water tank. Alright, as you can tell, there is a lot of room in this galley area for all your kitchen needs. We do have a control panel. If you press the battery button, it tells you how full your battery is. If you press your fresh water, it lets you know how much water you have. If you touch your gray, it tells you how full your gray is. There is no black tank in this camper. To turn on the pump for the water, flip that switch. If you're not using it, make sure it's turned off. When you're using the tank water, this is the spigot you use to turn on the water when this is turned on. Make sure that's off when not in use. Turn that off. You do not have hot water, but if you are hooked up to water from the campground, you'll use this spigot. Up in the top corner, you have a 110 outlet, a tap light. Right above the sink, another tap light, 110 outlets, inverter, and a charging station. This little switch is for the underground rock lights. Down on this little tray, foxtail, and a garden hose for hooking up your potable water. If you do have issues, your fuse panel is behind here. Inside this pouch, you have your cookware, your griddle, two-burner camp stove, and the hose. To operate the camp stove, Unflip the latch. Flip this over. Move your burners. Take your hose, push it in the side. Screw it on. Your green 1-pound bottle screw in here, and here's the valve to turn it on and off. Ignition. And then you're on off for the stove burners. This is also where you adjust your height. When you're done, let it cool off, fold it back up and put it away. Your cookware includes a skillet, a pot. The lid is interchangeable for both of them. Just fold your handles in when not in use. A kettle that fits inside the pot, and a non-stick griddle. You also get a cutting board, a sharp knife, serving spoon, straining spoon, spatula, can opener, tongs, potato peeler. You also get 2 steak knives, 4 spoons, 4 forks, 4 butter knives, 2 bowls, 2 plates, 2 cups, French press coffee maker. You will also have a deck of cards, Yahtzee, dice, maybe even a small deck of Uno cards, trash bags, frisbee, toilet paper, lighter, and not stocked right now but will be included, paper towels and dish soap. And with this camper you also get a collapsible pail, and I use that for draining the waste tank. To drain your gray water tank, simply pull this valve. Now let's go take a look at the tongue box. Unlock your box. Inside your box, you have your shore power. Let's go take a look at that real quick. First off, you have an adapter. Then you have your 30 amp extension cord. To plug it in, it's directional and it has a screw fitting on it. Simply open that up, line up the plug, which is sometimes easier said than done, and then go plug it in. When it is plugged in, this will light up, showing that you have power. There'll be a little light right here. You have 2 tire chocks to keep the camper from rolling away. Currently, the chairs provided will fit in here. If these get replaced, they may not fit, but you'll have 2 camp chairs with the rental. You have a folding table. And let's cut to another video and I'll show you how that works. You simply just pull out, open up. The support rods have 2 inner holes, 2 outer holes. The inner holes go to the base. And the tabletop snaps on and unfolds. Welcome back. All right, you do have a 3/4 inch wrench. This is for your rear stabilizer jacks and to lower the spare tire on the camper. There's a 4-way lug wrench in here and 9 wood blocks to help you level out the camper. When you're putting everything away, make sure the jacks are up, make sure everything's stored and locked, all the doors are locked, the rear hatch is locked. Make sure you turn off the key and remove it. Make sure everything's stowed and secured in here. I throw the camper key or the battery key in the sink so we don't lose it. Again, when the latches are in line with this, they're unlocked. They turn one direction, make sure they're pointing across these beams. Same thing with the lock. And that's the walk around of the GeoPro 12RK we call Toad. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next video.